Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to put together a little corsage, pin-on corsage using tropical houseplants. So here in Michigan it's springtime and I had my tropical plants all ready to go outside because it was beautiful out last week, and then now this week it snowed. So I had to bring them all in, and I was trying to think of something I could do for a video, and just staring at my tropical plants I was like, oh, this would work. So if you're in a pinch, it's almost prom season and you're like, what do? I don't have a corsage or a boutonniere. You can always turn to your house plants. So here I have I've got this spiky wave plant. I'm not quite sure the technical name of it. It was just really cute, and I didn't get the details on it, so I apologize. I have a double bud calancho. That's the yellow one, and then I've got this pink polka dot plant that I just cut off some little stems of it. So I've got a grouping of pink and green, and then of course I got the kind of medium big pothos plant leaves. This one's kind of a lime green color. They do come variegated as well. So just gonna kind of arrange them together, staggering each individual little bud there. When I added the wire, I just simply made a hairpin out of it, kind of grabbed the stem and then wrapped it around itself and covered it with wax floral tape. So that helps hold on to the blossom, and it keeps the wire from poking out, and it kind of blends in like a regular stem there. So once I have them all in my hand, I arrange them around, trying to make more of like a S shape out of the pink polka dot plant there, and then keeping the bright yellow as my focal point. And then when I have it all arranged, I will wrap it with the wax floral tape nice and tight so it holds together. That bottom leaf, the pothos plant there, I did end up just taking it out. It was a little bit too big for where I wanted it to be, but you know, you can always have like a smaller one at the bottom there. You can leave the bigger leaf, however you want to do it. But it just, I couldn't get it to arrange the way I wanted it to. But I'm just going to add a little bit of a ribbon there. It's just kind of a sheer number 3 ribbon. And then I wrap that too with the wax floral tape. And I count about 3.5 fingers down from the very top. Give it a little twist at the end with a pencil or a paintbrush, and then add your little pins. And like I said, I did remove that leaf, but you can see when it's all done. There we go. Just got a cute little corsage. Something you can do in a pinch, real easy, just using tropical plants around your house. Hope you enjoy.